Hey everyone, so finally we got a new updated Instagram Explorer page. So maybe a few of them have not received this, so everyone is going to receive in next few days. So in this video I will show you how this new Explorer page, new updated Explorer page look like. So this is my Instagram page. If you have anything, you can comment me here, you can message me here, and you can also follow my Instagram page. So let's go to our Explore page. So I will go to my Explore page. So now here you can see as for you. So whatever the page I have followed, it will show the post related to that. So if you want to see the post only related to humor, you can click on this one. If you want to see the post related to music, you can click on this one. So you can see the post related to your choice. Now this new option is added here. So if you want to see any post related to travel, you can click on this one, then you will see all those posts related to travel. So this is how a new Explore page has been updated. So if you don't find any topic related to you, then you can click on Explore More. So when you will click on Explore More, it will show the remaining post whatever is left. So this is how a new updated Instagram Explore page. So also let me know in comment, so did you receive this new updated Explore page? So are you able to see your Explore page in this way, or still you don't have this update? And also you can try to update your Instagram app before using this feature. I think it can also help you if you have not updated. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, let me know in comment. Thank you. Bye bye.